Hot tips and tricks to improve your game. Golf is one of the most enjoyable ways to spend your day, network business connections and work on your tan all at the same time, but it can also be one of the most frustrating things you will ever do. Read on for some fantastic advice on improving your golf game now. Try taking swings from the opposite side to improve your game. If you are a lefty, address the ball from the opposite side for a while. You should have a better swing when you return to your usual stance. Golf is a matter of patience and focus. You really need to take your time in understanding where you are on the course, choosing your club and setting up your shot. Trying to rush through things will only result in a sloppy shot and higher scores. Keep yourself focused and block out others around you. Topping a golf ball is bringing the club in too high to connect properly with the ball. One primary cause of topping is improper posture. A golfer who tends to top the ball is likely leaning away from the ball. Leaning into the ball will improve hitting results. If you want to really drive a golf ball hard with a solid, powerful swing, you have to hit through the ball, not at it. Follow through is the single most important aspect of a powerful golf swing. If you just aim at the ball and stop, you lose most of the driving force you need to send it sailing. Now that you have learned a few great tips and tricks for getting better at golf, you are undoubtedly very eager to put them into practice. With a little luck and great weather, your passion for the sport is now fueled with some power-packed advice and you can look forward to greater achievement in your game. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.